Earning money from your smartphone has never been easier, but also at the same time, earning money from your smartphone has never been more important than right now. So if you're watching this video and you're looking for ways to make money online or make money from your phone, then you've actually come to the right place, because in this video, I'm going to give you guys around 4 or 5, maybe even a bonus one, but I'm going to give you guys at least 5 ways in which you can make money from your phone. And the best thing about this is that I'm not just going to tell you how you can go out there and how you can do it. I'm also going to give you guys real examples of real apps and real websites that you can either download right now or sign up on right now, and you can actually go there and start making money immediately. And also, with this said, these will not include any online surveys, because I know you guys may watch a lot of other videos and they talk about all the survey sites that you can sign up on and all the surveys that you can do, and these surveys will pay you 1 cent for every 30-minute survey. So that's definitely not what I'm going to be talking about today. So stick around to the very end, because I'm very confident that by the end of this video, you're going to find 1, 2, maybe even 3 or more ways that you can use to make some money from your phone today. Now, before we dive into all the details, just a quick reminder: if you're new to the channel, my name is Ian, and on this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to save money, ways to invest your money. I talk about bank accounts, credit cards, and just about everything to do with personal finance. So if you like these videos and you like these types of topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free, won't cost you anything, and it helps the channel out a ton. And also be sure to subscribe with the notifications on, and that way you never miss any of the future updates of when I post new videos on this channel. Also, if you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. The link is down below in the description. And with that said, let's jump into all the apps that you can use to make money from your phone today. Now, the first way that you can make money from your phone is by sharing data with companies that they'll use for web statistics, to verify business processes, to do price comparisons, and to overall gather information that will help them to make their businesses or their services more competitive with other similar businesses. Now, this has got to be the most lazy or the laziest way and easiest way to make money from your smartphone, because you can literally download an app and do nothing else. The app runs in the background. You can download these apps on multiple devices and you don't have to do anything really. So for example, you can use an app like Honeygain, and with this one, you simply download the app, it runs in the background, and then you get paid. There's really nothing else to do. You don't have to do anything at all. You don't have to go inside the app from time to time and do anything. Just simply download the app, let it run in the background, and you'll automatically get paid. And the good thing about apps like Honeygain, for example, and some other apps as well, with this one, you don't have to install it on just one device. You can actually install this app on multiple devices, and that way you can increase your earnings. So for example, if you have a dozen phones, you can install it on all of them, and that way you can make a lot more money from this app. And again, you don't have to do anything really. Now, what makes this even more interesting is that if you sign up right now, you get $5 for free, just like that. So you can immediately make some money right now by downloading this app and allowing it to run in the background. Now, the second way that you can make some money right now from your smartphone is by actually trading in some stuff that you have at home, preferably electronics. And I know you guys probably already know that you can go on websites like eBay, for example. You can sell this stuff, but if you have no money and you have, like, let's say an old used MacBook, what you could do is you could go to the Amazon trade-in program, and Amazon will actually send you a free shipping label and they'll pay for the shipping. So there's really no cost upfront to you. You simply just pack the item, put the shipping label on there, you send it out to Amazon, and they will pay you in Amazon gift cards. Now, the way that this works is that you can go to the Amazon trading website, you search for the device that you have, whether it's a phone or a computer or whatever it is, and then you also select the condition, and then Amazon will give you an estimate of how much they'll actually pay you for that device. Now, once you're okay with that, you'll get your shipping label, you ship it to them, they'll pay for the shipping, so there's no cost to you up front, and they'll send you your gift cards, and then you can use these gift cards to buy stuff on Amazon, or probably even get newer devices or newer electronics or whatever it is that you're trading in. So that is a second way that you can make some money from your smartphone immediately, and again, there's no cost to you, so you can go ahead and you can do that right now. Now, the only downside to this is that they won't actually give you cash, but Amazon gift cards instead. But Amazon gift cards can be used for just about anything, so it's still a way of earning right now. Now, the third app that you guys can use is one that's called user testing. So to get paid here, you can go to this website, usertesting.com, and you get to provide insights on products and services. And this is really simple, guys. All you got to do is apply, which means that you submit your email address, you do a quick practice test, And this way they'll know you're a real person, you'll answer questions about yourself, and this way they can actually pair you with a test that would match with the products and services that you either know about or that you would be using. And then for your time, you get paid around $4 for every test of around 5 minutes, and you also get paid around $10 for every 20-minute test. If you do live interviews, you can get up to $120 for each. So this one actually pays a lot of money, because if you can get paid $10 for a 20-minute test, this means that you can make $30 an hour if you were to do 3 20-minute tests in 1 hour, and that is definitely above the average wage right now. I think the average wage is just about $20 per hour, so this is a way to make a lot more money. Now, the next way that you can make some money from your smartphone is by selling stock photos. So for example, if you like taking photos, or if you were a photographer, or you have a lot of photos of yourself or nature or street art, or just photos in general, big brands will actually pay you for these photos. So for this, you can use an app like Snapwire, and the way this works is that you sign up on the app, you can upload your photos, and these companies will always be looking for photos. If they like one of your photos or multiple photos that you have uploaded, they'll actually pay you for those photos, and then they can use them for themselves. And this also works for videos as well. So if you do a lot of videos of nature or street art or just about anything, you can upload them on Snapwire, and you can actually get paid for these. Now, finally, you can actually get paid for playing games on your phone. So if you already like playing games, or you're bored and you have nothing to do, or you just want to make some money, this is a fantastic way to make some money. One app that you can use is Play, and here you can simply sign up and play games, and you earn points from playing games and competing in these games. And then you can use these points for cash or prizes. And they also have other challenges as well that you can complete, and this is all gaming stuff. It's all related to gaming with different types of games. They even have NFTs that you can earn on this app as well. So definitely check this out if you're interested in gaming, or if you have a lot of free time. So this is yet another fantastic way to make some money online from your phone. So we got the first method, which is HoneyGain, and you can literally download the app, you can install it, it runs in the background, you do nothing else, and you can get paid. And then we have Play, where you can play games and earn money online. We also have usertesting.com, where you can go and do tests, and you can make $10 for a 20-minute test, or over $100 for a live interview. And we also have the Amazon trading service, where you can trade in electronics. You don't have to pay for shopping, and you can make money with that. And then finally, there is Snapwire, where you can upload photos and videos as well, and you can get paid for those. So between all these apps, I think you should definitely be able to find one or two that you can use to start making some money right now. Let me know if you used any of these apps before, or if you'll be using them now. And with that said, all the best with making money online. If you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can find me on Instagram. Link is down below. All the best, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.